Yes, people. Time to get some shit done. Right, what are we getting into today? So we've got to go and get paint for the Golf because I need to paint the wing because the old one is a bit rusty. Yeah. So got to go and get the paint so that my boy can paint that. And then after we've done that, we're gonna head down to the Golf as we've got a lot to do. Let's go link up with our boy Carl and see what's popping. Right, we are finally en route to get some fucking paint. Got Carl with me. Let's go.
Get it.
Everyone's driving like crackheads today though.
Everyone likes to use their horn.
Yeah. Yes, paint shop run done. That's very expensive. But yeah, we get shit done out here, boy.
Come on, my boy.
Come on, my boy. Right, boys and girls, we've got the paint, all that's done. Now down at the Golf. Got little broski with me helping me out. And there she is, the beast. Got so much shit to do today. All of that has got to go onto all of that. But I'm gonna pull everything out and give you a proper introduction of everything we're doing today. Chase. So far what we got to do today: oil change, oil filters in my bag somewhere, doing a coolant flush, fixing my power steering leak, got a nice brand spanking new rear anti-roll bar to go on, and a nice K-brace. Other jobs we got to do: we've got wheels and tyres coming, still waiting another 2 tyres because Parcel Force decided to mess up the order and can't tell me where my other 2 tyres are, but that's a story for another time. We've got a replacement wing that's currently getting sprayed up now. Hopefully should be putting that on tomorrow. So yeah, like I said, all maintenance stuff today, and then tomorrow hopefully wheels and tyres on and wing on, and then off to MOT to get ready for Gaston track. First job, we're going to do the oil change because we need to take the sump off and reseal it, because like a donut, when I put a new sump on it, I ran out of brake cleaner, so the sealant ended up sticking properly, so I had an oil leak. So we're going to solve that first. While we're there, we're going to do a full service, oil filter, oil. I run an aftermarket air filter, so we're going to clean the air filter, which I need to go home and do because I'm going to need the hose. And then yeah, if we get time, we'll be fitting all these other lovely bits. There's no board. All of them loose. Oh my god, all of them are bloody loose. Should be like that. Are you loose? Bummer fish.
What happens if they fall up? The whole
This whole panel drops out and I have no oil in the car.
Okay. And was the oil to cool it, or?
No, it lubricates the engine, but it also cools it as well. Hopefully. And then drop this down, clean all the gaskets and everything, and then yeah, job's good. Yeah, that's what we like to see. No shiny bits. No shiny bits whatsoever. Clean up all the bolts, all nice and clean. We got sump sealant on the sump. It's time for it to go back up and on. Cheeky little test fit on the cane brace. Was panicking for a bit because I thought it didn't fit, but as you can see, our test fit's in. So we need to drill holes and fit it, which we'll probably we'll start doing in a minute.
We put the K-brace in. It looks nice. We're thinking of either painting it black or gold. Or does it look dirty like that? I think it looks alright like that, but I think the gold he's got on the Golf now, I think that would be amazing. It would match quite a bit. Fitting the anti-roll bar. It is an anti-roll bar, yeah?
What?
Anti-roll bar?
Yeah.
Yeah, fitting the anti-roll bar.
Right guys, new day. Got quite a lot done on the car, which we'll go through in a minute. Kind of up against the time right now, so just about to fill the engine up with oil. Hopefully no leaks. After we've done that, flush the coolant, and then we'll go through all the other bits and bobs we've done yesterday. So start with, got it already off and prepped. It's literally it. Talking about the coolant, so coolant still. What are you doing?
Do you have to put a scotch on it?
It stops.
or swapping the wings over because it's got a massive rust hole in the side of it. Just finished putting the wing on. Staring at it like that. Right. Control. You need to size up, don't you?
Is that the same size that was on it? No, it's good.
Oh, okay. Well, they're now thingy fluid, whatever it's called. What is it? MOT wash?
Coolant.
Yeah, coolant. I said
MOT
that.
wash.
No, MOT and wash.
No, I washed an MOT. MOT's the last thing.
MOT ready. She is fully running. Let's get her a little wipe down for now. So we get the power wash on it, you know what I'm saying? We proper sorted it out. It's brand new. Out with the old, in with the new, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, we've got to clean up the inside a bit more. We got quite a bit of it out there. Copyright, and let's close that door. All of this. Clean it, we just have to clean it a bit thoroughly. We only have water. But yeah, pump out the tires a bit, and then yeah, she's goes for an MOT, and then she's track worthy.